the strongest shape challenge. Roro and Titi are building a big tall block castle.
My triangle blocks are the best pillars.
No way! My round blocks are better.
Mine is better.
No, mine is better.
No.
Stop fighting! Let's have a shape challenge.
Yay!
Hey.
Our blocks are too tough. Let's copy them with paper.
Great idea.
Ready, set, go! I'll try my square paper pillar first. Stack the books. 1, 2. Oh no, it folded! The square only holds 2 books.
My turn. The triangle. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it fell on number 3. Why?
My turn. Watch this. The round pillar. Let's go. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
5,
6. Yay! Circles hold more than 6. The round pillar wins.
But why is the circle the strongest?
Easy. A circle has no corners. The weight goes all the way around smoothly. Squares and triangles have points that make them bend easily.
Oh, wow!
Yay for science. Come on, now let's build our castle together.
Yay! Yay!